So just a quick update. I watched a few videos on changing the rear differential fluid. It's still pretty straightforward. What I'm finding is close to what I'm seeing there on YouTube. However, I started this job, it was about 9:30 at night. So in fairness, kind of started it late. It was a little dark. But the point I wanted to make is definitely plan to get a gasket before you do this. Some of the videos I saw said it had a replacement or replaceable gasket. Mine did not. Of course, as soon as I take it off, you can see the gasket here broke in half. So that of course stopped my ability to get the job done that night. So went out this morning. Also, by the way, you'll need to make sure before you go to the store that if you have a 10 bolt or a 14 bolt. Both of the places I went to asked me, and of course at the time I didn't really know, but this is a 10 bolt. So yeah, so I would have one on hand prior to this. One final note is that a lot of the videos have like two magnets down here. Mine does not have that, but instead had the magnet here. So initially I was a little confused why mine didn't have a magnet, but it does. It's got one here. So I'll clean this up. Mine's in pretty rough shape. It's rusted, and I don't know if this is going through a ton of water or backing down in salt water or whatever the deal is. So I'll probably hit it with a wire brush, shoot some paint over it, clean it up real nice, and put it back on. So that's it. Just wanted to add that point. I relied on the fact that it had a reusable gasket, and it does not. So don't want to get you in that same spot. So make sure you either be prepared to go to the parts store after you find out, or go ahead and just pick up a gasket.